see me dancing because I have an idea of the style that I want to make for myself. Yes guys, I am the one making this style for myself, and I have an idea of what I'm making, and I already know that after making it, it's gonna turn out looking beautiful, simple and elegant. Yes, it will fit in for any occasion. It will go for any occasion, be it wedding if you are not tying gele, be it office if you are going without wig, you just feel like it's time to carry a simple braid that will make you look classy and elegant. Oh yeah, I'll come closer. Yes, come closer. You want to make your hair yourself and you are bothered of the simple style you will make that will bring you out and you will stand out wherever you go. Come closer. Yes, this style I'm about to make is braid though, but if you find it difficult to grab your hair by yourself, you just want to make it yourself and you are finding it difficult to grab it yourself so that it will look neat on the scalp, guys, oh yeah, come closer. Like I said, come closer. Don't stop watching, and at the end of this video, I bet you will thank me at the comment section. If you watch this video and you no thank me, you no jello if you learn one or two from this video. So guys, this is a simple style that I just decided to make for myself by using these colorful bands. Yes, you will think it's for children alone, not lie you. If you have idea and that creativity in you, everything works, everything can go as long as you have an idea of what you are doing. So guys, I decided to make this simple braid that will look scanty and beautiful, and I decided what will I use to make it neat at the scalp. I decided to use those colorful bands that you see me tie the hair with. Yes, I use the band on every portion. Yes guys, I use the bands to tie the hair before using my attachments or expression to braids. As you can see guys, it's already looking beautiful, and this is what I did all through. Yes, if you feel that it's sometimes difficult for you to make your hair yourself, why not try making something simple, beautiful, classy and elegant like this? And it's looking beautiful guys, it is looking beautiful. So if you can braid your hair yourself and you are worried that at the end it always turned out that it's too many, yeah, it's fuller than you expected, this is what you should do. And you're also that type that like braiding your hair yourself, guys, this is the way you can control how neat the hair will be at the scalp. Yes, because this will help you grab your hair and it will look neat, just as mine is looking very neat. And braiding directly, sometimes if you are doing it on your own, there are some positions that you want to braid and your hand is not well placed, that particular hair will not be as neat as you want it to be. But with this band, you have an idea already that you can be able to tie it properly, then braid with your expression. So yes guys, as you can see, that's what I did all through, and it turned out looking beautiful. My hair was beautiful. I saw it after every like you saw me dancing, because I already have an idea what I was making. I loved it guys, I loved it, as you can see guys. So if you are worried that, oh, I don't like these color things on my head, guys, this is what I have available and I'm okay with it. But if you are not okay with it and you like the idea of making your hair like this, go for one particular color. You will see black all through. And if you can't find the one color thing in our local market, then you can make other. Yes guys, yeah, black will be okay also. Yeah, I know some persons will not like this color things. That's what I have available. I would have also preferred one color thing, so maybe black all through, blue all through. That will also make sense. Black all through will make sense guys. So guys, see how I made the two at the front? You see me dividing it into two, so I made it two in one at the front. So it's optional, you can decide to make it three, you can make it just one, but this is how I like it. That is why I said I have an idea what I wanted and I know how it will look. So yes, I made 2 on this particular one. Then the other one that is falling towards the other side, I made 2 also. And guys, trust me, based on how I cut it, it's not at the center. This one I'm making now was kind of sideways. So the other one that was kind of at the top, not at the center or the middle of it, you see, it turned out looking so good, guys. Yes. So yes, it gave the hair that unique style, not making it to look that flat, but at least enhancing it. So when you are looking at it from the front, it will be as if it's that full, but guys, it's not. So that's the trick. That is the trick. So guys, just watch and see how I did the other part of it. Like I said, you will love it. You will love it. Colorful, beautiful, elegant, classic, call it whatever beautiful name you want to call it, and you will stand out with it, guys. Yes, so just dress for that occasion. If you don't even need to do too much makeup because your hair has already announced you, you don't need to do too much. Just put on that beautiful dress and you are good to go. Okay, touch the face more. You need more powder now, Abby. Yes, and you are good to go. Can you see what I'm doing now? So I divided this one into 2 again, and also did the same thing I did on the other part of the hair here. Okay, let me use this opportunity to ask you, are you still watching? Guys, if you have watched till this time and you are new to this channel, you have not subscribed before, kindly click on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share it also for those that love making simple hairstyle to also see and make same style. Yes, my returning subscribers, those of you that is always coming back to watch my video, I do appreciate you a lot. Yes, God bless you real good. I am not taking you for granted at all. I love you guys. I love you. You are the real G of this platform. Yes, so beautiful people, it's still your girl Chinelo now. I never introduced myself. Yes, so it's still your girl Chinelo, and you are watching Chinelo's Corner. We are making this beautiful hairstyle that can fit for any occasion. You guys, if you can't make this style yourself, you can always go to your hairstylist and let them know that you want to look beautiful, classy, elegant, call it whatever, but simple. Yes, you are not going to sit for too long on this one. It's not that type of hairstyle that will keep you in the salon for long. If you have other things planned for the day, you are going to be able to achieve it. Yes, go to your hairstylist, make a beautiful hair braids as simple as this and beautiful, and also be able to meet up with other things for the day, and also now cook for the family. So guys, are you seeing it? Are you checking this hairstyle out? I believe you are like considering it right now because it's so simple and easy to make, and time, it does not consume time. It will not take too much of your time. Like I said, you'll be able to meet up with other things. So I put the hair in hot water off camera. So I don't need to bring that one out. You already know how that one goes. If you are in your salon, your hairstylist will be able to do that for you. So if you are making it yourself, you also know how you can manage to put it in the hot water yourself without pouring hot water on yourself. So guys, are you seeing it? You see what I mean? You see how beautiful it's looking? So here guys, I'm trying to show you the attachments I use. This is expression, and I use just one part. You know how they make it 2 parts? I use just one. That's why I'm showing you the one that I did not touch at all. So the other one I cut into 3, and this is what we got. So it will not consume much attachment. Like I said, simple, free, as in you will not be carrying heads as if you are carrying load. It's simple, it's free, it's neat, it's beautiful, it's classy, it's everything. Check me out now. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching. Chinelo signing out.